Hey, is that your action man dog, is it?
Come here, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. Put him down. Do you want to go for me?
What's the name of the dog?
Watch this, look. He climbs up. You could just put your hand behind his head.
Oh.
He's afraid of you, lads. He's intimidated by you.
We have some milk for him.
Give him some chocolate. He likes chocolate or biscuits. Have you anything like that?
Yeah, biscuits. We have biscuits.
Let's have one that kiss me one day, is it? Can I kiss you?
Come on then. The milk spilled.
Milk spilt, I'm not surprised.
Biscuits.
No, don't frighten him, now. Just stay there now and come up.
Biscuits.
And I'd have to break it up in half for him. Give it to him in a small piece.
These
And make him
ones.
beg for it. Make him beg for it. Look I'll show you. Get up like this, look.
What's this?
Come on, Puppa. Watch him begging for
Look
it.
at that, look.
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 Wait, look at his paws. You see? Hold it in your hand. No. Begging. No, don't give it to him or he won't beg. Now he won't beg. He wants to show you how he begs. He puts his paws together like he's praying. And he goes like that. I get him to jump up for it, lads.
Stand up, lad. Stand up, Dara.
Alright, hold it in your mouth or hold it in your paw. Now don't eat it, right? But make him
No,
beg.
just hold it out now. Look, Dara, out like that in front of you. Put it out in front of you like that.
Now watch him begging. He thinks you're all nuts.
Show me, watch. Look.
Just sit, like if you just sit down normal.
See, now you see. Look.
Here, can
Now
I
you do
it?
that.
My doggy. Hey lads, look at my cookie.
Here, Bob.
Watch this. Look, lads. Look. See that?
What he does if you don't give it to him, he'll beg properly. No, don't do that. Oh,
Look,
hold
watch.
it like this. Look in your hand. Just hold it like that in your lap, right?
Right, on your lap, like that. Look, just do that. Look. Watch him now.
You do it in a minute.
Put it up.
No, don't give it to him. Then he won't beg.
Put it up a bit higher now. Now, that'll do you.
No, then yeah, that's it. We'll do it in a minute now. Look. No, see if you do that, he won't know what to do. Hold it like that. Right? Don't hold it out. Hold it in.
Come on.
Just wait now. Wait. Well, you see, when you're holding up, he's looking at it. He won't do it. Now hold it like that. Look. No. I'm going to adopt children when you're about 12. Don't let him get it now. Wait. Any minute now. Do you want it, Bubba? Look, I'll do it. Yum, this is a lovely biscuit. Hey lads, what are you making that noise for? There's like some reason behind it. You're not talking to a fish, you know.
No.
Come on, Bub, do you want this, do you?
See Mammy's new hairstyle.
Lucy from Glenroe.
See Mammy's new hairstyle. Look.
I'm supposed to be like Lucy from Glenroe. You know Lucy the vet?
Yeah.
I was told I look like her today with my new hair. But
As long as you have her money, I don't mind.
what do you think, darling? What do you think of my haircut? Excuse me, is all that apple juice gone? All that apple juice gone? Hold on! No, there's drips coming out of it. Stop. Sticky.
Can I videotape him?
It's not working properly at all.
Alright, lift it. It is. So.
Ara O'Brien, he's just after coming back from fighting with a bear. And you should see the bear. The bear mauled him a little bit. He just gave him a bump on the top of the head. And all the blood just came out. Turn around now, Dara, slowly, and show me the blood. Turn around, just stand up and turn around. Just turn around. There's the blood it tracked back
That's
along
the
there.
bear's blood.
I think that's the bear's blood there, yeah. The bear ran away wounded.
He was in the
Back
jungle.
to the woods. Turn around now again. And his hands are all bloody too because
Look.
the bear was really vicious. Oh. And he went down to the doctor then, and the doctor had a good look at it and just cleaned up his wound and put it together with some glue. She glued them together and put some sutures on it. And now he's much better. Do you want to say anything to Mammy? Say something to Mammy.
Mommy's on her way now on the bus. Say something to Mommy.
Say something on the
Say
tape to
hi,
Mammy.
Mommy.
What?
Say something to Mammy on the tape.
Mommy, oh
Go on.
Say it, well
Come on,
done,
Dara.
well
no.
done,
Mommy,
Mommy.
oh
Say
no.
well done. She won today. Say well done.
Mommy won.
Mammy won. And here's... Who's this? This is Red who?
Red.
Robert Reid. His red hat and his red clothes. He was a soldier this morning going out. Now he's a Red Roo. Or Robert Reid, I should say.
You mean that?
Dara, just stand up straight there. Don't be bending up and down.
Jump
There's
in there.
Marcus. And Grace. Marcus and Grace were there as well when the bear came. And they ran up a big tree to hide until the bear went. And Dara fought off the bear while Robert Reid was hiding the treasure.
Is the bear dead?
Is the bear dead, Dara?
No.
No, he's still alive.
Not.
So we have to find him, won't we? Dun.